Hey guys, thanks for tuning into another episode of Nev's Garage. Now if this is your first time joining us here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also toggle on that little bell. That way you'll get a notification when our next video comes out. Don't get too excited about the next video though, because this video is a great one. It sort of continues on from a previous video where we cleaned the plenum chamber in this MY09 Forester, right? Now it was just unreal the amount of, forest that we got out of the plenum chamber. I've actually got it here in front of me. So this is what came out of it, right? Now, it's pretty disgusting. It even had mushrooms growing in it. And anyway, that's out now. Plenum chamber's all clean. So we're just gonna jump inside the car now and access the cabin filter, pull it out, see if it needs cleaning or changing, and it's going to be real simple. Walk you through it step by step. Let's get into it. Alright guys, real simple. You just pop the glove box open. Now just get a plastic lever or a trim remover or something. Slide it down beside the glove box retainer and just pop it out. Like that. That's these guys. Take the hinge damper off and the glove box door just comes off. And there's our cabin filter. So what we do is just grab it and pull it out. There it is. So yeah, she's pretty dirty. So yeah, let's grab a new one, shall we? Alright guys, so I can't go and grab one today because it's Sunday, so I've just bashed and blown the old one out and sprayed it with a bit of Febreze, and it'll do until we get a chance to get a new one, okay? So we're just going to pretend this is a new one for all intents and purposes, just like when you own a Mitsubishi Lancer and you pretend that it goes as good as a WRX. So here's our new cabin filter. And you just insert it in the hole like that and it's done, okay? So then obviously we just pop our glove box back on the hinge like that, and it automatically pops itself back in the hole because it's a tapered wedge. Pop our damper strut on and that completes the job. All done. Alright guys, well, that's how to change the cabin filter on an SH series Forester. Easy, hey? Anyway, that pretty much wraps us up for this episode here on Nev's Garage. As always, thanks for liking, sharing and subscribing here on YouTube. And make sure you tune in next time for a great episode that's coming. Hope you've subscribed and clicked the notification bell. Anyway, until then, I'm Nev, this is my garage, and I'll see you next time.